Hi, in this video I will be showing you how to change your MacBook's username, whether it's an old or new model. To change username on MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and then click on System Settings. By the way, I'm using Ventura, which is currently the latest version of Mac OS. If you are using an older version of Mac, then the interface might be a bit different. Now scroll down and click on Users and Group on the left panel. So click on Users and Groups. So this is our username, it's work2. So right click on it or press Ctrl plus click on your username and then click on Advanced Options. Here you will be prompted to enter your login password. So enter your password and click on Unlock. Now change your full name and your account name will automatically be changed. So click on your full name, enter new name. You can see the user is automatically changed. Now click on the OK button. So that's it, you have successfully changed your MacBook's username. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more MacBook guides.